Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. I love kayaking, but the hardest part is getting my kayak down to the water. And now I don't have to worry about it because I have this great cart from Best Marine and Outdoors. This little cart has made all the difference in transporting my kayak. It is designed so that these bars will sit right in the channels underneath your kayak. So all I had to do was adjust them, which is so easy. You just spin the little dials and it moves in and out to have the perfect fit in this channel so that when you're transporting your kayak, it's not going to fall off the cart or bump around. And it also comes with these nylon ropes that are adjustable to make sure that you have a nice tight fit. So when you're walking down the street with it, it's going to stay exactly where you want it. And this one was perfect for the two different kinds of kayaks that I have. Really was perfect for both of them. All you had to do was a quick adjustment and it was so simple. We could walk this down the street right to the water with no problem. So if you need a little bit of help getting your kayak to and from places, this cart is perfect for you. I highly recommend it. It's super high quality, and that is my point of view.